In yesterday's vlog, Ernie and I ate our gingerbread houses, which for us was actually just like an hour ago.
Still recovering from that one.
Even though we just had an overload of sweetness from that, I am going to do something that I've been wanting to try for a while, and that is make the Starbucks pumpkin cream cold foam at home. But I was looking at different recipes on Pinterest, and I found a few. This is the one that I liked most. I will link it down below for you guys if you want to try it out yourselves. For this, we're gonna need heavy whipping cream, which I got right here. We need condensed milk, vanilla extract. I think I might have just enough. How many do I need? 2 teaspoons. I might have to get another one. I just gotta climb up there and get it. 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, which I have right here. And 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. So that's everything we need, and I'm gonna get started. So the first thing we're going to add is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is going to make more than 1 serving, by the way.
2?
I think more like 4. The rest we can just save in the fridge until we're ready to use it. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk.
Perfect.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and lastly, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now we're going to whisk this until it's just combined, and then we're going to pour what we don't need into a container to use at a later time. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of this mixture and put it back into this bowl. And it says to put this into a blender and pulse it for about 10 to 12 seconds. I don't feel like dealing with a blender, so I'm going to use a whisk, and hopefully that foams up well. By whisk, I actually meant electric mixer. For my coffee, I have cold brew here that I made out of the Dunkin' pumpkin spice coffee. I don't know if they're still selling this or not. I got mine at Target. I'm going to add that to my glass. Then I'm going to add some of this Natural Bliss sweet cream creamer to it. Oh, it always looks so pretty. It basically turned into whipped cream, so I don't think I did this right. Tomorrow I'll probably put it into the blender because you can't even see that it exists at this point unless you look at it like really close up. Like that. I don't think this is going to taste exactly like the Starbucks one, but let's give it a try. It does not. It's good, but it's not the same. Hey guys! So filming was kind of thrown off today because of the whole gingerbread house thing. I really wanted to get it up today for you guys, so after I made the coffee I went straight to editing, and I've been doing that for a while, and now it's done and it's uploading. Anyway, I saw something interesting on TikTok. Just for men, mustache and beard. Obviously it's for men's mustaches and beards. But I also saw somebody on TikTok use it on her eyebrows, and she just carved them out with this, and they just looked so good that I really wanted to give it a try. So I got it in dark brown. Originally I did want to get it in I think dark medium brown, but they didn't have that at the store. Even if it comes out a little darker than I want to begin with, that just means that it's gonna last a little longer. At least that's what I'm hoping. So I'm gonna give this a try tomorrow. I don't have time to do it today because it's already 5:15 and I have to get started on cooking dinner. I don't drink this. This is just for the mushrooms. Alright, dinner ended up being really good, but I made way too much. I got a package from Ulta full of stuff that I ordered. Yeah, this is a great angle. Okay, so first thing I have here is this bag full of random stuff that I got because I spent over a certain amount of money. I don't remember how much it was. So what is this? Kenra Transforming Texturizing Cream. I really shouldn't do this angle, but like, it's so good for showing off the stuff. This, oh, self-tanning foam. This is dark. Okay. Usually I would go with like a medium or something because I'm not trying to get super tan, but it should be fine. Honest Beauty lip gloss. I've never tried anything from Honest Beauty, so I am excited for that. Oh, CoverGirl mascara. I don't think I've bought anything from CoverGirl in many years. Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. That sounds good. Pretty sure like just the top of my head is like poking up at the bottom of the screen. Oh, that's funny. Osei Undaria Algae Body Oil. That sounds fun. I've never used this brand either, I don't think. Supposed to firm and minimize the appearance of stretch marks. That's nice, because I definitely have stretch marks, as long as I can remember. They are not new. I don't remember not having stretch marks. The Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I highly doubt this works. I've never had a good experience with Glam Glow at all. KVD Locket Setting Powder in Translucent. I've been wanting to try this for so long. Way Scalp and a Body Scrub. A scalp scrub, eh? Interesting. This might come in handy because my scalp has been so dry. And lastly, of this little set here, ooh, a warming facial steam mask from OK. Next, I have one of my favorite dry shampoos. It's the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy dry shampoo, and this one is for, oh, I could have sworn this one was for dark hair. I guess it is not. That's okay. It still works. And I have this color and conditioner stuff from Cara Color. I have used this before. It was a blue one. I used it back in 2018. I don't remember how my hair came out. Did I get blue? This is for when I go dark. It's in the color Espresso. I almost said Espresso again, but it's Espresso. Next, I have these rollers from Dry Bar. They are Velcro rollers. There's 6 in here. It was $10. I don't know. I don't know. I keep seeing all these TikToks and different videos and stuff of people doing their curtain bangs and putting the roller in the front and doing like rollers randomly everywhere else. And I'm just like, okay, those come out looking really good, and that's like kind of how I want my hair to look. Not exactly, but like in that direction. So here I am trying out Velcro rollers again. I've tried them out before and they never stuck to my hair well, but this one had kind of good reviews. I have the Ardell. Which ones are you? Oh, the wispies. It's been a long time since I've had any invisible band lashes, and I've come to the conclusion that I just really like invisible bands better at putting them on, They work for me. The corners don't pop up like they do with the other kinds. I like these a lot. And finally, the absolute last thing in this haul is this Buxom lip cream. This is in the shade Rose Julep. I really hope that when I open this box, I do not hate the color that it comes out looking like. And this is a very bright pink, and I do not know how I feel about this. Okay. It's not opaque, which I like, because this color pink, opaque, not not my thing. This is very tingly. It's supposed to be plumping. Right now I like it. We'll see how this goes. I feel like it's working. It doesn't work with everything else on my face right now because there's nothing, and then there's eyebrows and this, but you know. And I like the packaging. I like how it's like matte and frosted. That's nice. Feels nice. I like it. Do you slouch a lot when you sit, or is my torso just long in comparison?
I don't know.
We gotta figure this out, because when we're sitting, we look like we're the same height, but we are not.
Typically, no. Typically, when I'm sitting,
Yeah.
like, I'm built on bad posture, I believe, because typically I'm either sitting forward, hating my job, or sitting back, trying to sleep at my job. So usually it's one or the other. So I can tell you right now, just off the cuff, I can tell you right now, I absolutely have terrible posture. And then on the bad days when the job is really terrible, it just beats me down. So I'm just like this, fully down. So the only thing I can tell you that I can guarantee, the only time I have good posture and when I'm actually sitting properly is when I'm with you. Because you build me back up.
Aww.
And you always give me the support I need. I hope I'm just as supportive too.
Everybody sees it.
Thank you. But do you see it?
I see it.
Yeah. Yeah.
21.
And 22.
And 22.
Yeah. We'll both do one.
Oh, I have to edit another video tonight.
I'm
It's
sorry.
already edited today.
I'm sorry.
Ooh.
Oh.
Dude with the axe in his head.
Good. Oh, bunny.
Bunny.
Thank you.
Understand. I can hold it.
Yeah. Oh! It's another zero.
He's a diamond zero.
He's diamond.
Yeah.
He's a crusted zero.
He's encrusted in glitter. He's so pretty.
Now we have 3 zeros.
Yeah, 3 zeros.
That is so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Oh!
Another Ron.
It's another Ron. With
In
a
his sweater.
Bloody brilliant. But it's a little larger one. Oh. We have Hagrid with his tree. As soon as I went to go open, I could feel this bag was tighter. It was like, this is a bigger Funko in there. A bigger minifigure. And I was like, huh. Yeah?
Yes.
Look at him.
He's adorable.
He's adorable.
He's adorable.
He's adorable.
Hagrid has always been my favorite male character from Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Forever.
Oh, yeah.
Always my favorite.
Who's your...
Sweetest person on the planet.
Yeah. I'm so glad everything, he never died.
Yeah.
Never happened to him.
Yeah.
That was always a fear of mine watching it, and I always ask you that question.
I know.
Yeah, I was like, I can't do it. I can't. If something happens to him, I just have to stop. Who's your favorite female character from Harry Potter?
Hermione.
Hermione. Yeah. Right?
Yeah. Growing up, I wanted to be Hermione.
Yeah.
That's why I got 4.0 GPA. So that is the end of this vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below if you've not already. We're vlogging until New Year's. We'll do the reindeers soon. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.